So over here, you can see that I have this particular shape right here. And if I want to go ahead and then duplicate this, then I can simply go ahead and right click, copy this, and I can right click, and then I can simply paste it out right here. Once I do that, what happens is that this is copied and pasted out right here. Similarly, I can go around and then let's say, for example, paste one in view as well, and it'll paste out into the location where I'm currently viewing. So that is 2 steps to simply duplicate an object. One of the quick ways to do that is you can go around over here onto edit and then simply choose duplicate, as you can see right here, and it creates a duplicate of the object right away. You can press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to go ahead and then make a copy, or simply press Ctrl D right here to quickly create a duplicate of an object right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the duplicate objects option inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.